And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the type of operator. It's a very simple, easy to use operator. Let us, for example, print out a name. As it's a string, we'll use quotation marks. And let's say we don't want to have the name, we just want to check what data type it is. We'll add type of before it, and now it says string. We make that type of 15. We get number. Type of false, we get boolean. And let me add type of 1, 2, 3, 4, n, so a very large number. And this gives us a big int, which is big integer. X would be undefined without quotation marks, and with we have a string again. As I've said, easy to use. You just add it before whatever variable or expression you've got there, and then it's going to return the data type. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.